Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF using Sie PDF Editor. Let's get started. First, find and open the Sie PDF Editor on your computer. Once the application is open, click on the File option in the upper left corner of the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Open and locate the PDF file that you want to protect with a password. After opening the PDF document, click on the Secure option in the upper toolbar. In the options that appear, select Protect. You will now see a prompt to enter your desired password. Make sure to choose a strong password that is hard to guess. After entering the password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again. Once you've confirmed the password, click on OK to proceed. Finally, save the changes by clicking on File again and selecting Save or Save as if you want to create a new file. And that's it! You successfully password protected your PDF using Sie PDF Editor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.